So, I was working on a new Photics Jigsaw game for an upcoming game development book when I had a problem with Visual Studio Code. I wanted to see how my SVG image was progressing, which meant looking at the code in Visual Studio Code. Except, when I opened the file, I didn't see the code. I only saw the image. It's a nice image of Earth. It's from NASA and it's called Blue Marble. Very pretty. But that's not what I wanted to see. Where's the source code? To fix the problem, open the Explorer view and then right-click the image listing. You could also right-click the tab for the image. There's an option Reopen Editor with ... And then, from there, Text Editor can be selected. Boom! There's the code. However, the next time the SVG file is opened, it will be opened as an image, not as source code. To fix that problem, just select the Reopen Editor With option again, but this time select the Configure Default Editor for .svg option. Now, when selecting Text Editor, it will preserve that setting. You can see that change in the settings file, as Workbench.Editor Associations for SVG files is set to default. If I switch the setting to Image Preview, that value changes to Image Preview.Preview Editor. Since I don't like that, I'm going to switch it back to default. So that solves that problem. Hopefully this information was helpful. And thanks for watching.